How to use picture-in-picture on NanoBanana.ai. Want to overlay one image or video on top of another? Let's see how to use picture-in-picture on NanoBanana.ai. First, open your browser and search NanoBanana.ai. Make sure you are logged into your account. Scroll down to AI Editor section. You will see two main options, image to image and text to image. Tap add image and upload your main image or background image. Then if you want to overlay another image or element, you can upload it as a second image. In the main prompt box, type your instructions clearly. For example, place the second image as a small overlay in the top right corner, or you can say add a circular picture-in-picture overlay at the center with a border. After entering your prompt, click Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process the request and show the output with your picture-in-picture overlay applied. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching.